$100,000 in a year.
The fancy hook.
Let me show. Oh shit. We ain't using my back. Wait a minute, 100 grand, I tell you. 100 grand, always to the bank. This is how you do it. Grab that motherfucker like this. Pull this lever out like this. Slide it. Slide it. Guide it in there, pull the hook on out. How stupid is that? I mean, stupid. All the way to the back. There go your college education. There go your college education. Right there, buddy. So this is the hardest thing I would do today. Watch me closely. Wait a minute, Kevin. Ka-ching! Like roller skates on it. And those Steely skates. Those Steely skates we used to wear back in the day with the red and white orange shoestrings in them. Did you have your pair of those Steely skates? You know what I'm talking about? Maybe you had that in your time. Boy,
Well, I never had a pair.
boy, that was a Christmas gift. So Steely skate. You be walking down the street like this. About to set a fire. You sure y'all know nothing? Y'all know nothing about that, boy. Y'all know nothing about that. The game's doing the skating for you. Hey Kevin, how many we got on this street?
That's it.
Just this?
Other one is empty.
You fucked up, boy. As in there though. Ask your parents. Ask your parents about those Steely skates. Oh my God. They didn't have no brake on them. Got me with my Steelies on. Yeah, buddy. Hold on, Kevin. Change. Wait a minute. Change. Should have took the hook. Should have took the hook and did one of these. I wasn't thinking. I wasn't thinking. I play too much. I play too much. Baby, I'm gonna be serious.
Can it help get the can out too?
Yeah, watch me.
Oh my God. Is that not talent?
I'm up here just fucking up. Yeah, Kev out here fucking up on City Pay. We gotta stop one day. One day we're gonna be serious, but it won't be today. It won't be today. That's a rich person thing. mud everywhere. Watch this. Ain't that a bitch?
Wow.
Ain't that a bitch?
For cleaning the truck too.
I want to see the joint. Back to the college graduates. Let me show you how you make your easy 100. Your easy 100,000 a year with no screw cracks. Just do, wait a minute. Let's grab it this way. Oh, I forgot to put my glove on, Kevin.
Oh, fuck.
I better not touch my dick. Oh my God. I love this job. Oh, I love this job. You didn't hear from me. You didn't hear from me. You heard it from the hook. The hook says, I love this job. Oh my God. What is we gonna do? What is we gonna do, y'all? What is we gonna do? I'm just saying. And this shit's wet. Wet. No, they stuck mud in there. Whatever. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. It wasn't me. Well, let me hide the truck number. Straight line. That's retarded, but I got it. I'm just saying. Game changer. Game changer.
Yes, sir.
Kind of corny because me and Kelly had a bad day today. But it's gonna get better.
Broke down. Grippers got bent. But we're still kicking ass.
Man, this is good. They look light, but they heavy. They just look light. I'm just saying. You better get you one of these. Boy, better get you one of these. Especially all you single men out there. Yeah, if you single, boy, you get you one of these. You won't be single no more. Wait a minute.
This motherfucker.
You see what my son did? He backed this goddamn hooker right around the truck. You see what he did? I'm talking about, and you want to study it through a thesis? You want to graduate? See how easy this job is? Wait a minute. Let me say, ka-ching. Watch this. Ka-ching. I gotta get a tax run off, Kevin. I don't know when. I was fucked up. I know I need some more women. My wife don't kill me. That's the least thing I need. Let's see how easy that is.
That's what the hook is for.
He hooked.
The hook.
Have a good day.